Today, I hit a pretty big milestone for my YouTube channel, Angry Math Dude. I wanted to see if I could get my channel monetized, and the requirements for getting monetization is it's called YouTube Partner Program. Basically, they'll put ads onto your video, and you can make some money off of your YouTube video content. So, getting 4,000 hours in the last 12 months of people watching your videos, that's pretty tough. For most people, getting the 1,000 subscribers is much easier than the 4,000 hours, but from my own experience, it's the reverse for me. Getting those 1,000 subscribers was tough. And so finally, after 3.5 to 4 years, I finally got 1,000 subscribers. So I'm pretty happy about that. So today's a celebration day for me. I technically could try to apply for a YouTube partner program, but I haven't really. There is a chance that this could go down below 1,000 subscribers if someone decides to, what do you call it, unsubscribe. So I'll wait until it goes up to 1,005 or 1,010, and then I'll apply for the program. Applying for the program, you can see over here, I looked at my live statistics. I finally have 1,000 subscribers, which is really cool for me. On a side note, I have already done this for my Alex Dude channel, so this is more just affirmation that I could do it. I'm not like a great YouTuber. I have zero personality. I've just posted videos of stuff that I do every day. And usually the ones that are helpful is the ones that when I help out my older relatives, aunts and uncles. And those videos are usually very popular. But anyways, back to the requirement to be eligible to become a YouTube partner is you also need 4,000 hours. So on this other screen over here, of my analytics, I show you that thankfully right now I'm at 9,000. The minimum requirement is 4,000. Just this last year, I've been very fortunate because a lot of people subscribe over 500. Before that, it was very slow. Again, my videos aren't super interesting. There's no common thread about what I post. I just post whatever happens in the day. And I thought, sometimes some of that stuff is useful. And so here I am on the left side of your YouTube studio page. You can click on Earn. When you click on Earn, you come to this page, Earn on YouTube. And basically, if you scroll down, you can finally apply now once it's unlocked. And it's really small over here. It says Earn on YouTube Unlocked. And it says it's unlocked somehow. So again, I'm going to wait probably a few days until I can get 1,000, 1,010 subscribers and apply. And then hopefully they let me monetize some videos and I can make some money. Not much money. I'm guessing, I only make maybe $50 or $100 a month, but still that's $50 or $100 I wasn't making before. And who knows, I might start doing videos that actually make sense and have like a story to it, or just something that's more focused. But anyways, I'm just happy. Took 3.5 to 4 years for me to achieve this goal, and hopefully they approve my YouTube partnership application, and that'd be pretty cool. As I said before, I have a different channel called Alex Dude, and that has, that worked for me. And I just wanted to do it again because I felt that maybe I was just lucky the first time. But the second time, I just, stuck with it. And if you're out there wanting to do your own YouTube channel, it takes a while. It took me, again, 3.5 to 4 years. And I don't know if I'll make that much money off of YouTube, but it's just for me, I post videos that just happen, just that things that happen in my daily life. I'll just record. I won't spend that much time to edit. I edit maybe like 5-10 minutes, then I post the video, and that's it. It's very low quality amateur type videos, but sometimes it's very helpful, the stuff that I post. And it's nice just getting thanks from people when they say like, oh, thanks, I'm glad you posted that video, it really helped me. So just a word of encouragement for others that are thinking about trying to do YouTube. It takes a while. I'm sure you have better content than I do, and so it won't take you 3 to 4 years to achieve this goal. But just keep at it. I mean, I'm not a successful YouTuber, but at least this is just a story about how I was able to qualify for becoming a YouTube partner, and I'll make another video if I actually qualify, and then how much money I get from what do you call it? Right now, in a month, in 28 days, I get about 48,000 views, and the watch time is really low. But anyways, I'll let you know how much income I make off of that, just for informational purposes. I'm guessing it's going to be anywhere from $50 to $100. My other YouTuber friend, he thinks I might make more, maybe up to like $200 to $300, but I don't think so based on my other analytics from my Alex Do channel. So, anyways, just wanted to celebrate the fact that I finally got 1,000 subs, and will probably be enrolling for the YouTube Partner Program so I can make some money off my YouTube content. Over and out.